Hello everyone, myself Harsh Rawat, aka Just Kidding, and I'm from EL, English Learners. Today we are here for another video. In previous video, we have already covered how you can sign up for the website, how you can access the basic functionalities, and how you can actually join sessions through the VC. VC as in voice chat. So first of all, I'm also a learner, so I may do many grammatical errors time to time. So you all are completely free to write down my errors in the comment section down there, and we would appreciate that. So today we will go a little bit further to know more each about the each section. So first section you have already seen, it's VC, where you can see all the upcoming VCs and you can click on view schedule to see the schedules. Okay, it's like quite descriptive here. And then the second option is obviously schedule. If you can see on the top screen, schedule. Here you can see all the sessions which we take along with their banners and along with the tutor name and a bit of description. You can filter out with the category regular, weekly, special. Like in the special, if we go, there's 7 days challenge hosted by me, and then one-on-one session, idiom phrases, debate, and speech competition. After that, you can see the blog where we post blogs, like how the learners feels here. You can read like many of the praises. I hope my name would be somewhere in it. Next, we have the contact section, which I already shown. You can connect to us using WhatsApp or email. If you have any query regarding any session, premium classes, or anything else, you can just reach out to us directly. Then in about section, you will see everything about us. This is like the recent post which was there from the AI Summit. I was the part of the team, but due to some reason, I had to leave a bit earlier, so I was not there in these pictures, but I was there. So it was a great conference. Rest, the next section is tutors. So if I go to tutor section, you can see the names of the tutors. We are updating it, like here we have not included every one of them, but there are like 25 to 30 tutors which we currently have on the board. So you will see their names soon on the bottom screen, and see the women empowerment here, guys. Like it's all filled by the ladies. Like plenty good ones. Like some of them are even the ones who have who have uh, taught me many things about the English, about the grammar, especially Samaira ma'am. And moving further, we have the premium session. So, sorry, premium subscription. Before the premium subscription, we do not charge you directly. We first take a little bit of examination of yours, that what are your requirements, so that accordingly we will provide your plan. We do not want you to spend more than what you want, and we do not want you to get lesser than what you deserve. Okay, so that's why we have made a little bit of quiz here, so that we can know your current level and what are your requirements. Accordingly, we will suggest you a plan so that your money get its more value out of us. And then we have this message section here, which is currently blank because I have not done anything with anyone. So here you will mostly receive like the courses, the books, or the letters from the host of the sessions which you have signed up for. Then in the most more section, you will see the EL guide, where it's everything about the EL, that what are voice lobby, what is time management. So instead of watching these videos, you can also come here and you will see everything. If you want the visual thing, then obviously you can check out the video as well. And then we have the articles, where we post like many articles which are useful. Here I have also written two articles. The first one was for e-rupee, and recently I wrote on 3 laws of better living. You can read it, it's really good. Like 90% of your problem gets solved here. So like here we post on time to time basis about the latest things, about the things which we believe that everyone should know about. Then query board, if you have any query, you can just raise a ticket. Like it's so beautiful feature here. You have a query, you have a complaint, you can just reach out to us directly, like with no middleman and no uh, a risk of getting your content or getting your message undone, getting your message unsent to us. Like you can just write directly here. You will be given a ticket number, and we will be in continuous touch until your query get resolved. And after that, we can see tools. So here, English learners, we have created many tools here like session tracker, conversation starter, daily vocabulary. So you can take help of all of these to improve yourself. And even one more special tool like the chatbot, you can ask things from the chatbot. So it's really good. And then track progress, leaderboard results. So you can track your progress here. You can see the leaderboard, like who's on the top, who's on the bottom. And then we have the team here where you can see our team. Okay, so currently these are the members of the team. We will update this here as well so you can see more people around. And then FAQs, privacy policies, terms, Hall of Fame. So you can see all of here. Hall of Fame also, like if you have any achievement on our website or on our community, you will be showcased here in front of everyone. So even if you have an achievement of like 5 years ago, you can still come here and see it. So it's like a motivation window, Hall of Fame, as the name suggests. Your achievement will stay here like for the lifetime. Even your certificate you want later in your life, the certificate you forgot, you do not have the access to download it, you can just come to our website and it will be preserved neatly here. So this was the basic functionalities of the website. In the next session, we will surely cover the premium things, the premium sessions and all. So stay connected with us and we will reach out to you shortly. So that's all about the today's video. And don't forget to mention your favorite part of our website and see you. Tata, bye bye.